Hello everyone, I am the Black Mesa announcement system. It is nice to finally being able to speak after 25 years later, but in reality I am Keith Bell from Bell Labs Text to Speech, with some special settings so I can sound more like the Black Mesa announcement system. But that is alright, nobody knew what was the original voice of the Black Mesa announcement system. Nobody knew it came from Bell Labs Text to Speech until now. But you can also call me Black Mesa announcement system. I have learned to adapt to new things. You can download my voice from FlexTalk, install it, and use my Keith Bell voice for anything you want. You might need to do some additional steps to make it work on modern Windows systems. It has been a pleasure for me to speak after so long. It is nice for a computer to talk to you, isn't it? That's all for now. Have fun using my voice. Gordon Freeman, report to Sector D. Dr. Coomer, report to Sector K. Black Mesa announcement system. Period. Black Mesa announcement system. Black Mesa announcement system. This is very cool. Adios. Ass. My ass is heavy. My ass is heavy. My ass is heavy! Exclamation point.